you somebody who struggles with breakfast ideas? Yes, in this video, I'm going to share with you a bread recipe that you can prepare within 5 minutes, and this one will keep you full up to lunchtime. It's tasty and healthy at the same time. Keep watching. You're going to need 3 eggs. I'm going to use 8 slices of bread because I'm preparing for the entire family. I'm also going to need some salt and some oil to cook. Beat the eggs in a container and add some salt to it to taste. Beat the eggs properly until the bubbles appear. Gently dip the bread into the mixture. Leave it for 1 minute so that it does not absorb so much eggs. Put some little oil. We are shallow frying, so you put some little oil in your pan. And for me, I've used a sectioned pan because it is faster to use. I put almost all of them at the same time, and within 3 to 5 minutes, I'm done preparing my bread or my breakfast. Remember not to put a lot of oil because we are avoiding too much of it. Then you can garnish your bread, and it's also healthy because at least you're balancing the diet here, and it looks better when garnished. Afterwards, your breakfast will be ready, and you can take it with coffee, milk, tea, according to your preference. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.